Hey, in this video tutorial, I will show you how you can create a poll within your event on the Veertly platform. So as the organizer, you have on the left-hand side the option of polls. So click on it and then you see the button to create a poll. You say create a poll, you enter the title. Let's assume this is a startup pitch event. So we want to ask, what is your favorite startup pitch? The first one that presented was Airbnb. The second one was Uber. And you can also add a third or fourth option. Let's say the third option was the Veertly, so we presented our platform. And then you can save this one as a draft or launch it immediately. So let's save it as a draft first. So that way you can prepare the whole event in advance. You have your draft polls here. You can then open them. You can click on the little icon down here, and then you can either edit again for launching it, launch it, or delete it. So let's say we are launching it, you can launch the poll, and then you will see here that it appears on the sidebar. Let's say I prefer the Veertly pitch, so I vote for it, and you can immediately see the results here as well. Furthermore, as the organizer, you can decide to stop the poll or to delete it completely. So let's say all the attendees have now voted. I would like to stop it. Simply click stop the poll. And then you also see here the overview in a different kind of headline that says previous polls, and there you see your past polls. If you want, after stopping the poll, you can even relaunch them. So you can click again on the little settings bar and say relaunch or delete it if you don't want to show it anymore. That was already it. Super simple to create a poll. You can either prepare it in advance or you can also do it on the fly during the event.